Like the topic is that whether Facebook or any other social networking site is harmful or not. But the thing is that you guys are speaking about the posts which are being posted in the Facebook, and the posts are being posted by us. So again in return, we got to know that we are we are misusing the Facebook. See, like I got to know a few facts about Facebook, like how we are misusing the Facebook, and I got to know that through Facebook. So only if you could spread this message, like we could actually solve these issues, like you could actually use Facebook in a better way using the Facebook. So I don't think like blaming the social networking sites is a valid point. You could actually blame the students instead. And as Lalit said that the primary goal should be education, like for a student. The thing is that a student is free, not just a student, anyone is free, like anyone, there's no rule that suppose this guy, if he's a minority, he couldn't access he couldn't be educated and all. And this thing does happen in few parts of our nation, like few minorities and all, they couldn't go to schools, they are not allowed in the schools, even if they are allowed, they are bullied in the schools by the teachers as well. So these students, if they have a Facebook account, if they have any other social networking account, they could gain that wisdom. Like Google and all, no one's stopping you, no one's stopping a minority and or another bullied guy to use Google and all. And my third point is that, as you said, I'm speaking in favor of Twitter and Facebook. You guys said that Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi is actually, they're just trying to show off. But how many incidents do you know, like Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi actually replied to few people's comments, few common people's comments? They could actually communicate with them. Okay, let's just say that you posted a letter to Rahul Gandhi. How long does it take to reach Rahul Gandhi? And do you have a guarantee or do you have a proof that they are government officials, they could easily erase all the proofs? But if you post something on Facebook and if you take a screenshot of it, no one could, erase that thing. So I think it is we who are ruining the beauty of social networking sites, and it is we again in return who are actually, enlightening people about what could be done and what could not be done. Thank you.